Hi everyone, welcome back to CityCast. Now, as you may or may not be aware, Japan was a little bit slow to get involved in the Wi-Fi game, but now that it seems to have gotten there, the expat and particularly the traveller in Japan is inundated with a myriad of Wi-Fi choices, which can be a little bit confusing, if not to say overwhelming, having to register here, slow connections there. So we wanted to try and streamline this Wi-Fi selection process and see if we could find just basically the easiest and simplest way to get online, particularly when traveling around Japan. So looking around, we came across Lucky WiFi and their mobile Wi-Fi routers. And we've managed to get hold of one of these today. Here it is. And what we're going to do now is give this a test, see how easy it is to get online, and see if this thing actually works. Alright, so our Lucky WiFi router gets delivered to us in this kind of handy carry case. If we open this up, let's see what we've got inside. So, the router is in this little pouch here. Here it is. And if you turn it over, you can see that you've got your SSID code and the key or the password stuck to the back of the router. We also have the AC adapter as well as a USB cable. Now, the manual, we've been given the manual in Japanese, but that's okay. English manuals are available, and the router that we're trying out here is the Plus F FS030W. Just put that back in the case. So let's see if we can get connected to the internet with our new router. So all we need to do to boot her up is hold this button in the center for about 3 seconds, and that should get things started. It takes a few seconds to get going. Whilst it's doing that, I'll just get my phone here. There are about 4 or 5 screens on the router that you can scroll through, and we'll have a look at those once it's booted up. But the first screen you come to is really the most important one. It tells you the battery power. Now this thing can last for about 20 hours of continuous use, 24 hours if you're on Bluetooth in fact. So it's going to last you the whole day if you're out and about exploring, and then you get back to the hotel, it's still going to be working, and you can still sort of share all your pictures on SMS and send emails to people back home. So there's the first screen, and we go through to the next one. Again, the SSID code is here, and the key or the password is also there as well. You've got a barcode reader, some profile settings if you want to, and then finally you've got your Bluetooth options. Now, we're going to go back to the first screen and approach this as if we were a layman, because that's really what we are. And so from here, let's see if we can get hooked up to the internet. So, go to my phone and go to my settings and switch on the Wi-Fi. Let's switch that back on again here. Okay, so here it is. Which one do we want? This 041. So we're going to hit that, and let's type in our password, which is written on the back. Okay, so we're in. Let's go to the internet, see if we're moving correctly. Okay, so here we are, it seems to be working all right. Let's just click on the CityCast blogs, see what's going on there. All right, perfect. We're online. Excellent, okay. So next up, let's just give it a bit of a test, a bit of a speed test, and see what kind of speed we've got. Yes, I'm going to get some carriage charges. Continue. And let's see what kind of speed we've got. So as you can see, not too bad at all. We're hovering around the sort of 4 or 5 Mbps. So there we are. Excellent. Simple, easy. It's about as easy as getting online gets with our Lucky WiFi mobile router. So there you have it, guys. We're online with our Lucky WiFi mobile router. It's simple, smooth, ready to use, and we're going to be carrying it around with us for the foreseeable future. See you next time.